Hey everyone, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Today I would like to introduce you to one of my new AI employees who is able to automate boring and repetitive tasks like cold calls and all that stuff. I especially trained him with special sales scripts to always provide the same performance, because those AI employees don't have a bad day, they don't need to get educated for a long time to pronounce things in the right way and all that stuff, and you can scale them however you want. And especially when you do cold calls and want to test different scripts, this makes the process hyper efficient, so you can easily outperform your competition there. But let me walk you a little bit through the automation. So here we are on my desktop now, and let me quickly walk you through how this automation is got set up. For the backend and this AI, basically, we use VAPI here, where you can easily create your voice assistants and all that stuff. And inside of here, I just created a new assistant, basically. And yeah, here I provided him some sort of like a sales script. It's just like a demonstration here for this video, where the AI is taking over the role of an Apple employee, basically, who want to sell me an iPad or something like that. Of course, you can add way more details here. Also, maybe if you have different products or something like that you want to sell or something like that, all this is definitely possible. Just would need to get added here, or you also have some sort of like the functionality here that you can hook it up with your database where all the products are stored and all that stuff. But that are more complex automations I maybe can show in some other future videos and all that stuff. All in all, I just hooked up here this AI character, basically, provided him a phone number I got over this website here, Twilio, which you can hook up here with VAPI, and then we also created some different tools here, basically, to get the interest level, because we want to a little bit pre-qualify the client and ask him as well if he's like interested to learn more or buy this iPad, basically. And this later will get set up in our Excel sheet, which I maybe can also show you, because the automation is set up in a way that I can put in my phone number here, and then those fields will get filled out for me, basically, and user basically, I will see here if this guy is interested, if he picked up, that we can maybe do a follow-up or something like that, or call at a different time. And in the end you also get some sort of like a summary there for the call, how it went and all that stuff. But maybe let me also quickly show you the different make automations here, basically. So to really make the call, here we have an automation which detects if something in my Google Sheet is added, basically. Then we will connect it here with VAPI to actually make the outbound phone call, and then we can update the Excel sheet, basically, that we get the ID there, basically, for this call. And after that we wait for VAPI's response. We have a custom webhook here to get the interest level, so that that also is getting updated here, and other stuff or the other automations here will add the status and summary depending on how the call went, basically. So we have the router here to see if the call is picked up in general, and if the call is ended we will update the summary there. But I would say we quickly try this out. So I add in my number here, and then I should receive a phone call here in the next seconds. So the number is added, and I should get a call here from Virginia, from the number I got over Twilio. Hey!
Hi there, this is Fabian from Apple. Are you interested in the new iPad?
Sorry, I don't have much time now.
No problem at all. Just to quickly confirm, are you interested in the new iPad?
All in all, yes, but I think it's too expensive.
I understand your concern about the price difference. Apple products, including the iPad, are known for their high-quality build, seamless integration with other Apple devices, and a robust ecosystem of apps and services. Additionally, the iPad offers a user-friendly experience, regular software updates, and excellent customer support. That being said, it's important to choose a device that meets your needs and fits within your budget. If you have any specific requirements or features you're looking for, I can help you find the right iPad model, or perhaps other Apple products that might suit your needs better. Would you like more information on the different iPad models, or do you have any other specific questions?
Which iPad could you recommend me?
I'd be happy to recommend an iPad based on your needs. Could you tell me a bit about what you'll primarily be using the iPad for? For example, do you need it for work, studying, entertainment, or something else?
Yeah, it's more for work. I just want to have something where I can make my notes with, where I can Google some things and like all that stuff.
Based on your needs, I would recommend the iPad Air. Here's why. The iPad Air comes with the A14 Bionic chip, which ensures smooth performance for multitasking, note-taking, and browsing. It supports the Apple Pencil.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Great. It seems like the iPad Air would be a perfect fit for your needs. Would you like me to walk you through the purchase process now?
What would it cost?
The price of the iPad Air starts at $599 for the base model with Wi-Fi and 64 GB of storage. However, the price can vary depending on the storage capacity and whether you choose a Wi-Fi only model or one with cellular capabilities. Would you like more details on the different configurations and their prices, or are you ready to proceed with the purchase?
Yeah, I would need to sleep a night over it. I can't make such a decision right now there.
Absolutely. I understand that making a decision on a purchase is important, and it's good to take your time. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
Yeah, thank you. You too.
You're welcome. Take care and feel free to reach out anytime. Have a wonderful day.
Hello.
Hi, this is Fabian from Apple. Are you interested in the new iPad?
Yeah, definitely.
Great. Do you have any questions, or would you like me to walk you through the purchase process?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Just a sec. Excellent. Let's start with the purchase process. First, do you have a specific model or storage capacity in mind for the new iPad? This will help me guide you better.
Not right now, like maybe the iPad Air?
Great choice. The iPad Air is a fantastic option. It offers a perfect balance of power and portability. Would you like to hear more about its features? Or should we proceed with selecting storage and color options?
No, like you can proceed. I already informed myself on YouTube.
Perfect. Let's move forward then. The iPad Air comes in different storage capacities and colors. 1.
I would need the biggest one.
Sure. The iPad Air offers a 256 GB storage option. Now let's talk about color choices. The iPad Air is available in space gray, silver, rose gold, green, and sky blue.
Yeah, gray sounds good.
Which color would... Awesome choice. I'll just need some details to finalize your purchase. Can I have your full name and shipping address, please?
Sure, it would be Fabian Grundmann. Yeah, and then it basically will walk you through the purchase process and all that stuff. And basically what you can see, like we made those 2 calls here, like one where I had like many concerns, questions. I was not able to give an exact yes, I want to buy it right now. It was more like, yeah, I would need to think about it and all that stuff. The AI of course can handle this a little bit as well, but maybe real humans later would need to follow up there a little bit as well and ask more precise questions, or this would need to get added in the script there as well. Of course all that would work to add in the scripts and like all that. The better you give the AI instructions and all that stuff, the better the calls and all that stuff later will be. But yeah, the basic interest level here was yes, no, all that stuff definitely works. And like this you can already pre-qualify your clients, your leads, you can do cold calls and all that stuff basically. Now you maybe think this is already really cool, but you didn't saw how those AI characters also could get implemented in other scenarios basically. Let me explain a little bit, because many people spend thousands of euros for their new websites, but in the end, no matter how good the copywriting and structure is, in the end most people will only read the headlines and watch the images and spend an average of around maybe 50 seconds on your website. But how should they make a decision to work with you in this short amount of time? This is almost impossible. Since I come out of the gaming industry and still work on many clients' game projects and all that stuff, I thought this process of lead generation over your website, also with ads, need to get boosted somehow, because ad costs are rising and at the same time the attention span of people is getting shorter and shorter. I also noticed that people in general are spending more and more time on their phones playing games and all that stuff. And of course not everyone is a hardcore gamer, but gamification in general can get used in, for example, a virtual 3D replica of your office in 3D to create interesting tours through the space in which your leads can meet the team, which are also AI characters they can talk with. But also they maybe can ask client testimonials, questions to learn more about your workflow and work attitude. And all this will hook people to spend more time on your site, and at the same time it will build up trust to shorten your sales cycle. And the AI characters I already showed you can get used in a way that you can put those directly in the office space to directly help your visitors finding the right products or services they are looking for example, or if they have questions regarding a purchase, they don't need to directly call you. Instead, the AI character can check the order status and all that stuff for you. And in the office, the characters also could get used to directly schedule appointments with you, where you can meet the potential new clients and pitch them your products. And to make this process more efficient, you can even define a gold standard for your clients, so the AI character can already pre-qualify your clients there in this short conversation, basically. But also in the recruitment processes, those offices can help to generate more applications, so the AI characters can assist you there easily as well to pick out only the gold nuggets under the applicants, so you can hire the right people there. But if this topic especially is interesting for you, we also made a special video there where we explain the full workflow in more details. All in all, it's really crazy how quick AI is developing and which possibilities we already have today. And if you now also would like to learn more about the different possibilities or how something like this could work and look like for your business, then I would be very happy to hear from you. You can easily write me a mail or directly book a free meeting with me in which I can demonstrate our automations in more details and in which we can also work out a free strategy how something like this could get implemented in your business. And I can also show you in detail which benefits automation like this maybe also would have for your business. But that's it from me. As I mentioned, feel free to directly book a meeting with me there. I'm looking forward to it. But that's it. I hope you have a nice rest of your day. Take care. Bye.